Okay, the R390 is repaired. I've had this radio for about 2 years. This was initially restored by Howard Mills. This is a Collins R390, I think from about 1951. I'm assuming it was about the first batch because it's number 495. You can see the new power bulkhead connector right there. There's the power port. It's one of these funky military jobs. This is line, neutral, and ground. This goes down to the line filter here. This is a Corcom unit. Of course, then this goes back around, and that feeds the power circuits and all of that. I'm going to have to probably put some ferrites or something on this. Some of my colleagues said I was going to get some pickup off of this, and they might be right, so I'll take care of that shortly. Let's go back to and you can see the tubes are glowing nicely. And let's show you the gear train for this. This radio has an obscenely complicated tuning mechanism in it. Look at all those cogs and sprockets. It took two companies, Cogswell Cogs and Spacely Sprockets, to get all the gears. I'm just kidding. For this receiver. This is a mechanical nightmare if you ever get it in pieces. And getting all of these synchronized has defeated more than one good man. Now let's turn the light off, and you can see, it's working good. And let the camera give a chance to focus. This is a slow focus on this thing, but the on-off switch works. See, that's working. And it's really some people think the R390's not really a pretty receiver. I think it is. This great receiver. And the R390 and the R390A have been called the pinnacle of tube radio receiver technology. If I remember correctly, this particular version's got over 25 tubes in it. I don't remember the exact number. And you can see all the various. This is the main VFO here. This is a tunable RF slug inductor. Collins invented that, and it made for very linear tuning to within 1 kilohertz resolution. And you can also see some power supply mods that Howard Mills did to take care of some of the heat problem with the regulators and all of that. So we're back in business. Just got to get the covers on it, get the rack handles reinstalled, and get some other wiring. Now let's run this around. This is the 7584. This receiver's developed a hum in it. Quite a severe hum, and hopefully we can get that fixed pretty soon. This is another pretty receiver. So anyway, that's the report. We will check you later. Philip Nollinger, K4KOE.